Our top story tonight at 6. Protesters around the country are asking their local governments to consider defunding police departments to help decrease police brutality incidents. So we decided to check funding numbers here in Macon-Bibb County, and we found out the sheriff's office was allotted $49 million in next year's budget. Sheriff David Davis says this money goes toward making sure officers have at least 40 hours of training each year, and the funding gives deputies proper equipment as well as protective gear. Sheriff Davis says defunding is not an option for the Bibb County Sheriff's Office.
As far as talking about defunding law enforcement or defunding the sheriff's office, that's really a non-starter for me, because we perform an essential service, and this community needs us to be out there to stop the bad people from terrorizing and harming this community.
Sheriff Davis also says defunding would lead to major cuts in the number of officers and community resources. By the way, the Macon-Bibb County Commissioners did reduce public funding by $1.3 million to respond to the COVID-19 pandemic, but commissioners say there are no plans to defund law enforcement in the future. Well, Fort Valley Public Safety Director Lawrence Spurgeon is also weighing in. He says police around the nation are being used after gutting social services. Now, last week he posted this quote on his Facebook page. He said, quote, "The police have ended up being left to do jobs that have to be done. We now ask police to be mental health experts, social workers, and school security professionals. By doing this, we have interjected armed subjects into situations that might not require them."